again, good afternoon, everyone. I will be your next discussant, and this topic is very essential if we are actually committed in our teaching. Pag mag-apply ka sa mga administrative office or mga teaching profession. So by the way, I am Rhea Perjam Tiguler, and I am 19 years old. Of course, from the city of Bayugan. Ang inatay game, first one na siya. Same goes with coloration. However, I just have some twist about okay, ano na siya? Pagpili mo, hindi makabuo ka representative sa inyo nga, isa ka namin number 1, ito na itong color, siya mag dapat ang tingog. Tapos, if ever na ay mag-coach, mag-coach, is, hindi naman daw ito lang yung score. Sinali siya ang tawag. Ang ating tapos activity is identify me. Okay, the screen will flash a word and identify its color. So same goes with the racial na. Same goes with the racial na ay word that identify its color. Then after that, ang pinakauna makailon is either balik man siya or tama, siya ang na-rights to gain the point or to lose the point. Ano siya? Na ay pag tama ka, you have the choice to choose between addition and subtraction. Pasabot, mag-add or minusan ang line group of score. Depende pa sa inyo ha. And then, pag mamali ka, you have no choice. Ang imong dapat is ang atong minus, which is i-minus din yung group. However, hindi siya may tagupan ninyo lahat ng consequence na nagsala na kamuta. Kailangan ba siya? Okay. Sa each group, munin ko ha, ang unang tag na. Sige, go. Sige na. Jim Claire. Jim Second. Naman yung preparation task kasi lang eh. Sunod. Medyo ha. Lima ka go. Mira. Ikaw. Ang kandiling. Yan ha. Ikaw isa lang answer. Tapos, I request everyone na maghihilot. Tapos, witness na sa una. Kasi hindi makulang kung ayaw talan. So, wala. Identify the color of the word. Ano na? Kung permission ba? Papastangay lang siya. Okay ba? Pasantay ka? Yes! Tapos, witness. Walay fair. Ay, walay bias. Ang isa na ka na mag-itakat siya. Okay, are you ready? Sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, tama man siya, diba? So, naka-right, addition or subtraction. So, pasabot is mag-add ka sa inyong score. Wala pa niyo po ang consequence. Okay, ha, 2 points na siya, 2 points na tanan. So, addition. Okay, asas na number. Okay, guess the word in 20 seconds. Ay, sa patuloy ha, malata. Okay, let's go sa mga pera, tapos so, tapos ay. Okay, second. Let's go, bawal balik. Oh, Sarmen. Jinling Salinas, go. Jinling. 1, 2, 3, go. Buhatan yung mga consequence. Okay, you have the subtraction. Choose between the 5. Huh? Ping. Okay. Ready na ka? Yeah. Okay. Ano lang, sa Q lang ako to QRS, yung dito mo din XYZ tas backward. So, Q ang last ha. 1, 2. Z, dali to. Start Z. Tapos Z to. Yung sokaran. Okay, 1. So, dito ha. 1, 2, 3, go. CYXWBU, Okay. Okay, then 3 and 4. Nalangin na po. Wala, sorry. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Value, knowledge, or even empirical thinking. So, diba, we are often held, or we service teacher, we already exposed in a scenario where makakita ang our teachers is almost busy. Pero, muna, is our reason amidst the lesson planning sa mga breaks, kahit mag-usay ka, malinda nila nga why you are teaching. However, since you are dedicated enough, maunang, diligid sila mawala sila kang anong nagtulog sila. It's because of their personal philosophy of teaching or mga principles. But later on, you will understand what it is to really on this. So, moreover, according to Mark Van Doren, the art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery. It just simply means that being a good teacher is not just about giving your students an answer, but it's also help them to guide sa ilang exploration or discovery sa mga less or mga topic na dapat sila ang makadiscover. So since it also relies na we are actually in the student-centered teaching. So when we say a personal philosophy of teaching, so of course, it is a personal philosophy of teaching sa mga teacher or a statement of your beliefs, values, and principles about teaching and learning. And this reflects also your unique approach to education and guide your practice. So, it simple means no nga, ang teacher di ay, every time nasa natin that you have their unique goals or unique na kanang principles kung unsa sila as a teacher, kung silang gusto sa mga student. So di ba katong, if you remember katong sa EDOC ko, magipakatag personal philosophy of teaching. So I was also being there na naging ito katong critical thinking, katong foster growth mindset and critical thinking. So if ever nga ako ma-teacher, magito ako yung philosophy nga, gusto ko nga, ikuan ako ang mind sa mga bata na there is room for improvement, na wala tayo stagnant, which is learning is a continuous process. Wala akong gusto tayo. So depende na, because this is our unique beliefs as a teacher. So this, even parehata teacher, parehata professional teachers, we really matters or we really distinct from one another sa ato ang personal philosophy of teaching. Yung mga makaimin mo, anong laylay ng mga teacher, even same rin dapat sila of profession. It's because nasa sila yung principle, nag-guide or practices every time na nasa sila in front of the class. And that's what makes you unique pag mag-look mo. And also, when we say personal teaching philosophy, it must be demonstrate a purposeful. Kanang ay purpose line, kung mag-mark principle, tapos dito siya purposeful and also goal-oriented na dapat ma-reach din mo siya. Like, you're not just making a personal philosophy of your teaching kay para lang sa kauwihan. Kasi nga, this is one of our requirements pag apply the instructor, teacher, or even as na basta related sa mga teaching profession. So it must be or it should be reflective in the sense na you are reflecting your own experiences, your values, your beliefs, kanang kung how do you how will you manage the class, or how will you perceive learning, how will you perceive kuan teaching, or how you manage kanang is maka-include na siya sa iyong personal philosophy of teaching. And so that you will be guided pag mag-discuss ka every time na naka sa klase. Second one is student-centered. So, kanino more one is a common kay you're student-centered, and of course we always focus on the needs of the students. Kung isay dapat sa student dili para sa imuha. But yes as well, pero mas focus ta sa student needs, dili para sa ato
Well, Lord, kana sa work, so dili maapektuhan ko ba ang result, maapektuhan ang imong pagtudlo. Siyempre, wala nang may gana, wala kay love, na the sake of gusto lang mag-survive.
Exactly.
So how about the group 2? Group 2. Okay, Liza. You are pointed by group.
Power.
Okay.
I choose live to teach section. Kaya mula, di ba sa future educator, of course, nalala sa battleground nga ako ang pina-develop ang ato ang teaching skills, di ba? So, especially sa ato, more kita ka ng believe to teach na bitaw, no? Sa ato palang mga kuan, yung sa gusto na tumabot, gusto na tumaka ng mga pinaglut ako ko. So, murag feeling na ko, murag mas kuan ang live to teach kay, murag, iskag dili educator bitaw, di ba? Murag nabuhay na sila din sa kalibutan para mag-reach sa mga ideas, mga knowledge nila masabdan.
Okay, thank you guys. So, Dr. Ricardo Vanderbilt, natin yung laki.
Computer educator, we are the ones who teach students to learn something new about or as a computer educator, we are the responsible of to shape the young
Magtudlo ka, mabuhit ka, sumuha
because
ka,
nothing in this world is
dapat
permanent change. And through teaching, we can make change.
So, as you know, I am really active to teach. Okay, from the group 4. Okay, Julie, and your opinion.
Teach to live kami na
Go.
So, I choose teach.
Teach.
It's because by teaching, you're already living. So by that, thank you. Sorry. By that, kibali, daghan klase-klase. As a teacher, daghan kayo ma-encounter ng mga kinabuhi sa uban. Yes. And by that, pinaagi-ana or pamaagi-ana, ma-share na nimo sa uban. It's because you are teaching. Yes. So, kung different life, different perspective,
Ako, ha?
So it is like comparison of slightly. For me, I choose age. Like, ano yung kurang nakukim pa kung ang imong pagtudlo isip tali inabuhi mo. Or in other words, you love it. Akay passion ba? Then, ano man, kung ato ka eskwelahan or sa field, magtudlo ka dito, siyempre with love. So, ang imong goal is ang imong estudyante na maka-learn siya. Ang imong estudyante na sabi sila makuha. Well, para sa pagod, kung dito ka sa like, ano yung basta understanding na nakikita for the sake of job, ano na gani. So, there is mga factor na what if kanang di ka pinaka, what if kanang feeling down ka, so agad sa kinukuha nyo, trabaho, kayo nana. And what if wala kay gana,
Is inclusive. Since it was given na diversity yun ang mga kuan. That's why there should be, as a teacher na dapat is given ang equal justice ang inyong ikuan. Kasi nga, hindi pwede na iisa lamang ang focus natin. Hindi lang mga sorry. O diba, kaya diba, we're giving na diverse. Si Apple, lalo siya kang Rachel. Si Oconda, lalo siya kang Kanumay. So, all you have to do, kaya diba, we have our goal. Ang atong goal is really para, hindi akong goal kay Cardillo, lang akong goal kay Lumambas. Kana sa atong goal is isa lang na siya for all. Ang ato lang challenge is that sa ilang sa kabila ng kanilang pagkakaiba-iba, ay kailangan mo itong kailangan ito kasi sa lahat ng tanan is ma-achieve yapon yung ang goal together. No one will left behind. So, ana ang answer. And also, it is flexible. So, when we see personal philosophy of teaching, it must not be stagnant. So, hindi pasabot na, ito na yung personal philosophy of teaching, it can't be changed over time. Kasi you must be adaptable to the changes. For example, if you are a teacher more than 40 years, so therefore, nakaabot pa ka sa katong mga teaching na teacher-centered pa. So all you have to do is kabalo ka, madili na kayo siya effective kung mag-teacher-centered pa ka, kaon nga days. That's why you must be flexible in your personal philosophy of teaching. And it also not stated na dili na siya pwede mabago, kaya it's not written in the Constitution. It's just kaning intrinsic na mga philosophy na nasa imo as a teacher mo na i-change mo. So, kung late na kayo, outdated na kayong personal philosophy, wala na kayo integration sa technology, you try to change that. Kaya mas nakita naman na more effective daw ang student-centered. So, you need also to in line with that. So, yun na siya. And lastly is grounded in theory and research. Of course, you just not make your personal philosophy teaching without kaning mga educational philosophies. Diba, even sa kaning curriculum niya, we are anchored, or everything was anchored in educational philosophies. Kaya nga, tinawag siyang appreciation of the value knowledge. So, kahit tayo, pwede tayong gumawa ng sarili nating educational philosophies na yung gusto natin. That's why, it must be grounded in theory and research, specifically katong mga na-publish na kayo. Mo to strong na yung foundation of your personal philosophy. So, try to reflect or try to relate your personal philosophy sa katong mga educational philosophies na na-discuss. Later, idealism, realism, katong nalalahin ko sila o way on how they perceive knowledge, values, and everything. So, mag-adjust ka, mga teacher ka, ayaw na gawin yung appealing, kailangan grounded, kumaan ka kayo mga research, na dapat kayo research ready, so that you will be guided. Di ba kayo po sa pag-apply dito is strong pod ang inyong personal philosophy, and it's necessary. So here, the general guidelines for your teaching philosophy. So ganito yun, ang personal philosophy of teaching is, di ba, as I mentioned, it is one of our requirements if we are applying to any kind of administrative office. So ilan bang pages siya? It must be written 3 pages. Personal philosophy of teaching. And it was included everything on how you perceive learning, teaching, and everything. Kung sino yung paniniwala on how you will teach, and everything. However, pag mag-apply ka, you are not allowed to recite everything. But rather, pag interview na ka, you are just sitting there, and your answer must always rely on your teaching philosophy. So that is one of the most important of this. Kaya kasi, yung mga kuan kasi is, yung mga mag-kuan sa ito kailangan kung paano copy sa teaching ito, your personal teaching philosophy. And ang question must always be relayed sa kung sa iyo sila without, walang kay papel. So wala kay access not limited to your personal theory of learning. What happens, or as your teacher, what happened inside students when they learn. So, ano yung mga graph, mga idea, para makastart ka. The goals for instruction, the rule or responsibilities of teacher and student in the process. A description of the variables which promote learning. So, since I was kaning wala ko nag-consult kay ma'am about sa nani kay mag-listen to kay gamay yung siyang topic, tapos hindi siya for multiple choice kay ano si ma'am nga pahimungon din daw o inani. Pero kaya nga 3 pages daw yun, so hindi. So ang gagawin natin is a statement na lang. Yung parang you can do whatever you want, pero kaning hindi lang siya mula pa sa walang crosswise or hindi lang with 1/4 na ilalakagamay. So all you have to do is to create your own personal teaching philosophy. But hindi siya sabihin ka ng kaning wala kayo, di ba kayo requirement kung na mo kayo, butang naman sa narrative report. So, kailangan yung magbuhat na yung basa niyo sa ako, whatever you want, siya mismo, hindi po talagang over yung nila yung kaayo. So, inali lang siya, as a science teacher, make your personal teaching philosophy. So, wala na akong i-include nung mga hindi nyo na ako kayo kasi yung personal teaching philosophy must relate kung saan ka major. For example, science. So, you must teach science. However, siguro kami kayo, basin magkapareha lang kung ng teaching philosophy because we are based on science, then I require you to make your teaching philosophy regardless of the subjects na yung gusto i-develop. So, ano lang siya? So, di mo mag-relate sa science, pwede i-relate, pwede sa debate. So, kamo ay bahala. Pero kasi, kaya mo siya a sort of craft ninyo sa inyong personal teaching philosophy para sa inyong later na philosophy. So, the first one is focus and consistency. So yun, yung pag may personal teaching philosophy ka, diba, every time you are standing in front of the class, you have your guide. You are guided. Kaya ito mo sa inyong mga principles. And of course, it requires consistency. Hindi pwede nga ang personal philosophy, hindi mo kayo, ika-isa ka, katawag naman na day. So hindi siya pwede, kaya dapat ay mas be consistent. Unless you are trying to revise sa inyong personal philosophy, kaya mag-feel mo mga naman, lain mo naman mas may highlight mo ng mga estudyante para mag-inaan yung kukuan. So try to kuan that. That's the time. And then, second one is effective instruction. So pag wala na kay principle kung how you will teach or mga principle or values and beliefs nimo about teaching, about your student, then you are now easily grasp kung sa'yo mga effective instruction. So mga nana siya nga, kuan nana siya in the way na importante siya. And the third one is student-centered approach. So as what I have mentioned, number one, katulad din is, of course, focus kita sa estudyante kung how we will improve, how we will help them, how we will guide them, how will we facilitate our learners. And last one, fourth one is professional growth. So ito is may contribution din ito kasi nga, you could be reflected in the sense na parang, may reflected kasi nga, what I have mentioned na, for example, is you're teaching 40 years ago, then teacher-centered pa yun. So, you are now moving into nagtulog ako yung tatapos student-centered na. So, you might be help our professional growth kasi malalaman mo nga, you need to change. You need to change your personal philosophy as well as magiging flexible ka rin as a teacher kasi you need to consider your learners, dili learners ang mag-adjust sa teacher sa kawag-katagunan, which is teacher ang mag-adjust sa learner. Teacher ang mag-adjust sa mga principles based sa kung saan na generation ka mo, how they will teach the classroom. So, ganun lang yung napakahirap ng gawin sa teacher kay magtuloy mo sa tatuhon. So, that's our big challenge. Kaya kailangan natin consider ang diverse student bisag kanang lisudjud siya. Pero we're trying to do all of those things so that we could really empower each of one and we can really empower each and this people. The last one is communication and collaboration. So of course, pag ganito, ang mangyayari dito is peer review siya, parang gano'n. So you have one, may time for one, like one to sa mga peer educator, yung may master tao. So for example, di ba, as what I mentioned, it's administrative office, or kung mag-apply ka, you have the time to communicate or collaborate with some of your professional teachers na you had. So the importance is na mabalot nato para ma-reflect nato. So but yes, of course, before proceeding, I was asked by this question. So I was shocked tapos na ako'y meaning na kuan. It was a question or interview daw sa akong atin later na kung sa exit interview sa CSU. And I was shocked na maglalibog kayo sa question. And this time, I would like to hear inyong opinion. I would love to hear your opinion. So this is so at the company siya, doon siya ako. So Andam. No, andam. Okay, this is the question. Basahan na ha, sabay-sabay, tapos raise tayo ng hand. Go.
Live to teach or teach to live.
Raise your hand if you want to answer. Sorry, it's just a trying to. Go, man! Go. Stand up tayo yun. Pag-inom guys is very crucial because it reflects your personality as a teacher or even an individual. Especially kay teacher ita, so this is mag-reflect siya sa ato ako how we will proceed to student. Dito pa yung issue. This is personal views kay pamay malan kung isa ka sa teacher.
Before me as a future educator, I choose live to teach.
Sige na, live to teach. Ano man, anong live to teach?
Live to teach because
Sino mo, please?
you live in this world to teach
Serious na
world.
minutes. Sige, go.
You live in this world
I believe that
to teach.
So if one, so what ang requirements no? So auto siya, tanang ang requirements. Then before that guys, kasi gusto mo guidance, so these are actually the personal teaching philosophy prompts kung gusto mo mag-acquire. Then halin dinani, pwede sa mo maka-access sa kwan any kind of search engines in the social media. So the first, the basic, halin na siya. Kaya wala gate, you can make your own, isang walay guide for all of this things. These are the guide questions. So, pag mo lang mo, ganahan mo kayo sa mga prompts for that. Pero as in, you can really make your own. Make it beautiful as creative. Okay? Yes, ganahan mo kung maglani lang hindi ka naman basa for all of your opinions regarding sa mga inani. So, that would be all. But before that, may one, like, there's something confusion, pero personal teaching philosophy na ginagawa ko. So if there's something confusion, violent reactions, or questions that you want to raise this time, okay, I'd like to answer all of the questions, confusions, and everything. So naa,
What goals do you have for your students?
buwan na lang. Di ba ka na kay deadline ako, ano kay deadline na? Ito, narrative report. Di ba ka na kay exam? After lang ba sa exam, may mandate ako?
Okay, thank you very much.
Kailangan bigyan ko.